Far beneath the ocean's surface, deeper than sunlight has ever reached, there exists a world shaped by fire instead of light, a place where underwater volcanoes rise silently from the Earth's crust, releasing streams of superheated, chemical-rich water into freezing darkness. And for centuries, humans believed this world was completely lifeless, because everything about it seemed hostile. Crushing pressure that could destroy metal, temperatures that shift from near freezing to boiling within seconds, and toxic chemicals that would instantly kill most known life. Yet when scientists first descended into this abyss, they discovered something that forever changed our understanding of life itself. Entire ecosystems thriving around these underwater volcanoes, known as hydrothermal vents, where giant tube worms taller than a human swayed gently without mouths or eyes. Blind crabs crawled across scorching rocks. Shrimp glowed red in the darkness, and snails carried shells made of iron, all living in a place where the sun has no power. Because here life does not depend on light, but on chemistry. As microscopic bacteria use sulfur and methane pouring from the vents to create energy through a process called chemosynthesis, forming the base of a food chain unlike anything seen on the surface, proving that life does not require comfort or familiarity, only adaptation. And as scientists watched these creatures living calmly beside boiling vents, they realized they were witnessing something ancient, perhaps similar to how life on Earth first began billions of years ago, in a time when the planet itself was young, violent, and unstable, and the deep ocean became a living archive of Earth's earliest secrets, showing that life is not fragile but incredibly resilient, capable of evolving in places where survival seems impossible. And this discovery did more than rewrite biology textbooks. It changed how humans search for life beyond Earth. Because if life can exist without sunlight, feeding on chemicals beneath crushing oceans, then perhaps similar life could exist beneath the icy shells of distant moons like Europa or Enceladus, where hidden oceans may also be warmed by volcanic activity, turning Earth's deep sea into a blueprint for alien worlds. Yet despite the importance of this hidden realm, much of it remains unexplored, with less than 20% of the ocean floor ever mapped, and even fewer hydrothermal vent systems studied in detail, while threats like deep-sea mining, pollution, and climate change creep silently downward, disturbing ecosystems we barely understand, altering environments that took millions of years to form. And as machines descend faster than knowledge, humanity risks destroying one of the most extraordinary examples of survival on this planet. A world that exists without noise, without sunlight, without recognition, quietly controlling Earth's climate, storing carbon, and possibly holding medical discoveries that could save lives, all while reminding us of a powerful truth: that strength does not always roar, progress does not always shine, and life does not always rise toward the light, because sometimes the most important worlds exist in darkness, near fire, under pressure, adapting patiently, waiting to be understood. And as we look at the ocean from above, we rarely realize that beneath the waves, beyond the darkness, beside underwater volcanoes, life is not only surviving, it is teaching us what it truly means to endure.